Do you want to know a secret to medical English terminology? Well, knowing common prefixes and suffixes can help you understand so many medical terms, and I'm going to show you today with medical conditions. Hello, my name is Jo. I'm from Specialist Language Courses. We are the world's leading medical English provider. And we are here to help you improve your medical English so you can succeed in your career in English. Let's start with a quiz. Do you know what these common medical suffixes mean? The suffix "-sis" means A. Paralysis, B. Stroke or seizure, or C. Action of spitting up. The answer is C. Spitting up. For example, hemoptysis. The suffix "-oma" means A. Tumour, B. Stricture, C. Disease. And the answer is A. Tumour. For example, carcinoma. The suffix "-itis" means A. Rupture, B. Deficiency, or C. Inflammation. And the answer is C. Inflammation. For example, appendicitis. There are lots of suffixes commonly used in medical English terminology. Do you know what they are? What is a suffix? It's a word part added to the end of a word. For example, itis in appendicitis, oma in carcinoma, or osis in endometriosis. And what is a prefix? It's a word added to the beginning of a word. For example, hemo in hemoptysis, hyper in hypertension, and pre in prenatal. And we can put together a prefix and a suffix to make a medical term. For example, hemo, relating to blood, ptysis, meaning spitting up, hemoptysis, the spitting up of blood. Let's do another one. Appendic, meaning appendix, itis, inflammation, appendicitis, inflammation of the appendix. Can you think of any more medical conditions ending in itis? Let me know in the comments. Do you know these? Bronchitis, inflammation of the bronchial tubes. Gastroenteritis, inflammation of the stomach intestines. Cystitis, inflammation of the bladder. Carditis, inflammation of the heart. Vasculitis, inflammation of the blood vessels. Myelitis, inflammation of the spinal cord. Here is a list of some of the most common suffixes for medical conditions. As you can see, we've got emia, meaning blood condition. For example, anemia. Lepsy, sudden seizure or attack. For example, epilepsy. Pathy, meaning disease. For example, neuropathy. Penia, meaning deficiency. For example, leukopenia. Plasia, meaning formation, development. For example, hyperplasia. Reg, excessive flow. For example, hemorrhage. Rhea, flow or discharge. For example, menorrhea. Can you think of any more? Let me know in the comments. So, look at these suffixes. Now, can you match the terms to their definitions? And here are the answers. Before we continue, if you want to know more medical conditions in English and for more activities like these, check out our course, Medical Terminology. Back to medical conditions. Can you pronounce these? To improve your pronunciation, mark the stress syllable and practice. For example, here, vasculitis. Now you try. Listen to these terms. Which syllable is stressed? Cardiomyopathy, epistaxis, hemoptysis, hemiparesis, homeostasis, leukopenia, narcolepsy, osteomalacia, vaginismus. Now listen and repeat. Cardiomyopathy, epistaxis, hemoptysis, hemiparesis, homeostasis, leukopenia, narcolepsy, osteomalacia, vaginismus. Want to practice these terms and more? Check out our course, Medical Terminology, full of activities to develop your knowledge of medical English terminology, including pronunciation and downloadable glossaries. Now I've got an extra activity for you. I'd like you to let me know a medical condition. Can you create one using one of the suffixes we looked at today? And congratulations on getting to the end of the video. We've got a surprise gift for you. If you comment medical in the comments below, we'll send you a link to a free handout, a glossary of medical terms from today. And now we've looked at medical conditions, do you want to know how to explain the diagnosis to your patient? Check out our video discussing a diagnosis. Click here. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Even if you've never seen the word before. Is that right? Well, knowing common prefixes and suffixes can really help you understand so many words, so many medical English terms. Hey, do you want to know a secret to medical English? Medical English terminology? And if you want to learn more about medical conditions and how to provide a diagnosis to your patient, why not check out our video discussing diagnosis? Discussing a diagnosis.